The last topic that you need to learn for grades 2 to 5 is area and perimeter. Specifically, the area and perimeter of a rectangle and a square. How to calculate the area and perimeter of a rectangle first. For a rectangle, they'll always give you the length and the breadth. The length and the breadth. Okay, so a length could be 3 and a breadth could be 1, right? So you multiply these two together, 3 into 1, and you get the area. Now for this triangle, to get the perimeter, you multiply the sum of both the length and the breadth with 2. So this becomes 2 into 4, which becomes 8. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 8, while the area is 3. Now let's move on to the square. Let's take an example of 4. Now for square, they only need to give you one side because all the sides of a square are equal. We learned that in our previous time, right? So 4, it is similar to the rectangle, but instead of multiplying it to the breadth, or you're still multiplying it to the breadth, but you can just multiply it with itself. So 4 into 4 gets you 16, that is the area. And for a perimeter, you just need to multiply this length by 4. So 4 into 4 equals 16. So in this case, both the perimeter and the area are 16. So this is how you find out the area and perimeter of the tricks. You can apply these formulas to real objects like gardens or rooms to find surfaces and boundaries. They'll ask you to do this in your exam, and I suggest this is something you practice every day, and you can just do it by measuring objects like squares and rectangles, or faces of squares and rectangles in any object that you have. Thank you.